Hello viewers, welcome to Krithu's Cake House. Today we are going to see smoothies, 5 different healthy smoothies. Come, let's get started. Hey guys, we're done with strawberry and banana smoothie. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants and they are good for eyesight. Bananas are full of fiber and potassium which regulates digestion. Hey guys, we are done with carrot orange apple smoothie. Carrot increase metabolism and strong vision. Orange is loaded with vitamin C. They develop our immune system. Hey guys, we are done with watermelon apple smoothie. Watermelon helps us in hydration. It's loaded with vitamin E, which rejuvenates our skin. Apple boosts brain power. It's good for heart and bone health. Hey guys, pineapple mango smoothie is ready. Pineapple, they are loaded with nutrients. It boosts immunity. Mango helps in cleansing skin and helps in maintaining cholesterol level. The last one is ready, green smoothie. Spinach, they are good for our eyes, and try to include this spinach in your daily diet. It reduces blood pressure. Avocados, they are the powerhouse of nutrients. Thanks for watching this video guys. Hope it was useful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell button for instant updates.